Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Dineo Ranaka is yet again trending for all wrong reasons, and at this point I just feel like if you don't agree with what she is saying, you just move, because she has been very vocal about marriage. She don't believe in marriage. Marriage only benefits men, which is very understandable, man. If you look at marriage these days, like it's like that. A man gets to live freely, so doing whatever that he wants, and when it comes to women, it's just something else. It's just something else. And many women that are married, if you sit down with them and ask them the very same question, they will stand with Dineo. Trust me when I say this, they will stand with Dineo, because men don't take their responsibilities seriously in marriage. They just continue living like small boys out there and just enjoying life, while the woman is carrying all the baggages. And it's bad. It's really bad. And I feel like at this point we have to blame men, because they are not men enough, man. They are not taking up their responsibilities in marriages. They just enter there and relax, go out, cheat to these women, and it's really bad. It's really bad. Marriage is not a really bad thing. It can be a bad thing if you marry a wrong man, a man who still wants to enjoy life, a man who still wants to be a small boy out there, who doesn't want to take responsibilities and stand as a married man. Trust me, you will go through hell while you are in this world. So I really do understand Dineo, because for her to be like this, to be vocal like this about marriage, which means she has been in there and she saw good, icon, this one, nah, it's not for me, it doesn't work, it does not work. Unfortunately, it's because she chose the wrong man, and it's bad. I know there is no wrong man when it comes to marriage. You can actually choose the best man in the world, but you will still go through some things, man. You will still go through some things. That's the reality of marriage. Even in the Bible, it is written that those that are going to marry, they will face so many tribulations. It's there, guys. It's there. So I do get her point.